Originally established in 1973 in Fairfield, Connecticut, Safety Marking has spent over 3 decades dedicated to service and quality, and now has expanded to 3 locations in the northeastern United States. Safety Marking prides itself on providing the highest level of expertise and service to all its customers. The modern facility in Bridgeport, Connecticut was opened in 1994 and is where the company maintains its corporate headquarters and serves customers in the Connecticut area. The Bridgeport facility, with over 30,000 square feet of space, houses a fleet of modern trucks and equipment and staff that are the center of Safety Marking's operations. The maintenance area in Bridgeport houses a full-time crew of trained mechanics dedicated to keeping the fleet of trucks and equipment up and running at all times. Whether a job is large or small, Safety Marking provides a complete package of services, including everything from permanent markings such as epoxy, thermoplastic, preformed tape, and reflectors, to all aspects of stage construction, including line removal of temporary paint and tape. The Long Island, New York location has 9,000 square feet and was opened in 2005. From here, Safety Marking serves the entire New York metro region, including all 5 boroughs, as well as Nassau and Suffolk counties. In Long Island, as in all Safety Marking facilities, a fleet of trucks, equipment, and staff are always prepared to leave for their next job. And with Safety Marking's own coordinated dispatch system, they will leave from the appropriate location to be on the job site at the moment they are required. From the 10,000 square foot location in Richmond, Rhode Island, Safety Marking can handle any job, large or small, servicing customers not only in the Rhode Island area, but also throughout all of northern New England. With these facilities covering the entire northeastern United States, Safety Marking knows that their customers can depend on their ability to be able to turn around a job as quickly as possible, and that getting crews and equipment to a job site on time helps every customer's bottom line. You can rely on all marking materials used by Safety Marking to meet all local, state, and federal specifications, providing the maximum in durability and safety. Safety Marking will meet all governmental administrative and reporting requirements.
The key thing to using Safety Marking is our ability to bring numerous amount of equipment to the job to expedite the job faster than anyone else can do it. We've spent millions of dollars in having equipment to do the work. And to me, that separates us from everyone else in the industry. We pride ourselves in service. To get there, we hired the highest quality people. We have people here over 20 years experience at Safety Marking Company. That is what makes Safety Marking special.
From the company's Bridgeport headquarters, Safety Marking staff coordinate the dispatch of crews and equipment with their staff on site at each company location, ensuring that all clients get the right equipment and crew to the job site at the time they are required.
At Safety Marking, our communication system is fully integrated to our 3 locations, which means we can respond to anyone's request no matter where it's taken. In Rhode Island, Connecticut, or Long Island, or New York, we're able to have someone on site at a moment's notice. Safety Marking has the most advanced fleet of equipment in the industry. It allows us to come onto any job, anywhere, and get it done efficiently, professionally, and on time.
You need the right equipment for the right job. If you're doing long line epoxy, you want a long line epoxy truck. If you're doing detail work, arrows and onlys, you send a smaller truck so it's more economical for the customer and for us. At Safety Markings, we have large paint trucks, small paint trucks, big epoxy trucks, little epoxy trucks. Depends on the job. We pride ourselves in state-of-the-art equipment, whether it be our grinding trucks, our epoxy trucks, or our thermal trucks. We have the best equipment money can buy.
Safety is always in the forefront on any job at Safety Marking Company. Since work is often completed at night, all trucks have self-supporting lighting systems, which means safety marking can work in conjunction with customers or independently as needed.
At Safety Marking, our training program starts from the minute a new employee is hired. We have safety orientation on their first day, which starts with work zone safety, familiarizing the individuals with everything from the federal specifications of traffic control that are required of us to the safety involved in operating the different pieces of equipment. Learning the troubleshooting and the preventive maintenance that's required of the equipment is all involved in the safety program.
Over the years, Safety Marking has proudly put their mark on many major interstate and nationally recognized highways, bridges, tunnels, and airports. Among the catalog of quality projects are some of the nation's most notable byways and transportation hubs. Safety Marking provides services to government agencies, municipalities, and independent companies throughout New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. With 3 locations and with a multifunctional fleet of trucks, Safety Marking Company is a full-time highway and roadway marking operation and looks forward to being of service to you. At Safety Marking, our reputation is built one line at a time.